The world is witnessing a devastating crisis as the largest seal species, the southern elephant seal, faces an unprecedented threat. A deadly bird flu strain has decimated their population, leaving scientists and conservationists in shock. But how did we get here? And what does this mean for the delicate balance of marine life? Let's unravel this tragic tale. In the vast oceans, these majestic giants, reaching up to 5.8 meters, 19 feet, and weighing up to 3,700 kilograms, 8,157 pounds, roam alone, foraging for food. Yet, once a year, they gather in the thousands along the Patagonian coast of Argentina, creating a spectacle of nature's raw power. But in October 2023, the familiar sounds of the breeding season were eerily absent. Marine biologist Julieta Campagna, who grew up with these sounds, was met with an unsettling silence. The reason? A mass mortality event unlike any other. Hundreds of dead adult and newborn seals lay scattered on the beaches of Peninsula Valdez, a UNESCO site of global significance for marine mammal conservation. The culprit, the H5N1 bird flu strain, which had mutated to spread easily among wild birds and, by 2022, directly between mammals. This strain has now revealed its devastating impact on the southern elephant seals in Argentina, with potential consequences for the entire ecosystem. The evidence of mammal-to-mammal transmission emerged from South America, where the virus killed seals and sea lions on an unprecedented scale. Over 30,000 sea lions perished in Peru and Chile, and 13,000 in Argentina. But the most devastating blow was at Peninsula Valdez, where nearly 97% of elephant seal pups died, marking the largest mortality event ever recorded for the species. The virus's global reach among seals and sea lions remains unknown, but researchers estimate it has affected around one-third of the world's pinniped species. But here's where it gets controversial. The mass die-off at Peninsula Valdez might be just the tip of the iceberg. The full impact on seals and sea lions worldwide, and the ocean's delicate balance, is yet to be fully understood. The sudden removal of such a significant species can disrupt the ecosystem, as elephant seals are top predators and crucial for nutrient cycling. Their decline could lead to a cascade of effects, impacting various marine life. The situation is dire, and the future uncertain. Researchers estimate that the population will take at least 70 years to recover, assuming no further environmental issues arise. The southern elephant seals were the most affected, losing over half their adult population, while sea lions also suffered significant losses. The reason for this species' vulnerability lies in their breeding behavior. They concentrate in small areas during breeding, unlike sea lions, which breed along longer coastlines. And this is the part most people miss. The bird flu spread is facilitated by migrating scavenger seabirds, such as skuas and giant petrels, feeding on infected carcasses. Pinnipeds, including elephant seals, are particularly vulnerable due to their dense breeding colonies, which overlap with large seabird populations. The virus can pass from mother to pup through the placenta and milk, and it can jump back to birds, but the exact transmission mechanisms remain a mystery. The crisis doesn't stop in Argentina. Bird flu has also devastated southern elephant seals on subantarctic islands. In late 2023, the virus reached South Georgia, causing massive die-offs among the world's largest elephant seal population and other animals. It then spread to the French archipelagos of Crozet and Kerguelen, killing hundreds of king penguins and fur seals. Researchers fear it may have reached the Australian subantarctic islands, threatening the continent's bird flu-free status. Scientists are racing to assess the full impact and understand the virus's spread. The concern is that a large portion of the population hasn't been exposed or developed immunity, leaving them vulnerable to future outbreaks. Many seal species in Antarctica and subantarctic regions are endemic, making mass die-offs an even more significant threat. The decline of southern elephant seals is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life in our oceans. As we grapple with this crisis, one question lingers. Can we protect these majestic creatures and restore the balance of marine ecosystems before it's too late? The clock is ticking, and the fate of these seals hangs in the balance. What do you think? Is there hope for the southern elephant seals, or is their decline an irreversible tragedy?